This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne Manusos. Perfect brick ranch home on HVAC. Half-acre lot in desirable part of town. Maintenance-free vinyl wrap on all trim. Backyard playset conveys with home, huge inviting porch, large newly renovated eat-in kitchen and laundry area with backyard composite deck. Roof 2004, HVAC 2008, electrical panel 2005, windows 2012, and oil water heater has been exchanged for an electric water heater in 2015. Detached garage used as a workout space/gym currently, but would be a welcome addition for a future pool house or car garage shop. Vapor barrier in crawl space, and crawl space has had its quarterly done and is well maintained. Fresh paint in various places.